All right, picking a Shopify theme, it's a huge decision, right? And it gets even trickier when you see one with a, wow, $320 price tag. So today, we are digging deep into the warehouse theme to answer the big question, is it really worth that kind of money for your growing business?
Yeah. Let's just get right into it. $320. That's not just a small purchase. That's a serious commitment. So can a theme actually give you that much value? I mean, really, is it that much better than just sticking with a free one?
Okay, to figure this out, we're going to investigate. We'll check out the expert ratings, figure out who this theme is actually for, put its performance to the test, and even see how real-life stores are using it to rake in the cash. First up, the scorecard. So, before we dive into all the nitty-gritty details, let's get that quick high-level view. Here's how the experts scored the warehouse theme.
And wow, there it is, an overall score of 8.9 out of 10. That is pretty impressive. What really jumps out here are the super high marks for features and value for money. I mean, 9.5 for features, that's huge. These are great numbers for sure, but it makes you wonder, right? What's the story behind these scores? Let's find out.
Okay, so here's the thing you absolutely have to understand about this theme. It's not a jack of all trades. Nope, it's the specialist, like a surgeon's scalpel, engineered for a very specific kind of store. So the big question is that store yours?
This right here makes it crystal clear. Take a look. If you see yourself on the left, you're a high-volume store, a drop shipper, you've got a massive catalog of stuff like electronics or auto parts, then ding, 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 this is for you. But if you're over on the right, maybe you sell just one thing, you're on a super tight budget, or your brand is all about that long-form visual story, then honestly, you should probably look elsewhere. It's all about matching the tool to the job.
And you know what's cool? Even within its niche, it's not a one-trick pony. You get 3 really distinct starting points or presets. You've got the classic warehouse look, which is kind of like your own personal Amazon. Then there's wood. It's modern, clean, perfect for things like furniture. And finally, mesh, which has this bold, sporty vibe that's great for fashion or activewear. So yeah, it's got versatility right where you need it.
All right, so we know who it's for, but now for the big one. What does it do? I mean, a pretty theme is nice and all, but a theme that actually puts money in your pocket, that's the real game changer. So let's look at the built-in tools that are designed to do just that, drive sales.
First up, it's all about helping your customers find what they're looking for. Because let's be real, if you've got thousands of products, a simple little drop-down menu is a complete nightmare. Warehouse hits you with a 1-2 punch, a powerful mega menu and advanced filtering. This combo basically holds your customer's hand and guides them through a massive inventory without them getting lost or frustrated.
Number 2, it's got marketing tools baked right in. We're talking custom promotion tiles you can splash all over your homepage. And here's the kicker. It has a built-in exit intent pop-up. You know what that means? You can stop paying that monthly fee for a separate pop-up app. This feature alone helps pay for the theme over time, all while building your precious email list.
And for our third point, it taps into some smart marketing psychology. You've got that stock counter, the only 3 left message. That creates urgency and pushes people to buy now. Then you have trust badges, which are super easy to add. They help calm down that last-minute shopper anxiety that, let's face it, kills so many sales. These might seem like small details, but trust me, they can have a massive impact on your conversion rates.
Okay, so it's absolutely packed with features, we get it. But this leads us to the, well, not the $1 million question, but the $320 question. With all that stuff going on, can it possibly still be fast? Speed is everything, right? Let's check out the numbers.
So the mobile score is a 74. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Hey, I've seen themes that score in the 90s. And you're right. But here's the thing. For a theme that is doing this much heavy lifting, with all those features we just talked about built in, a 74 is actually a really, really solid result.
And here you can see both scores side by side. I mean, look at that desktop score, 96. That's just exceptional. It shows this thing is incredibly well coded. This chart really illustrates the trade-off perfectly. To get all those amazing, conversion-driving features without needing a dozen apps, you give up a few points on mobile speed. It's not the fastest, but it's not trying to be. Warehouse is all about striking that perfect balance between power and performance.
Okay, lab tests are one thing. Numbers on a chart are great. But how does this theme actually perform out there in the wild? Let's take a look at how some really successful stores are using these exact features to make more money.
And this is so cool to see. Look at eSafety Surprise. They're just killing it with B2B sales using that advanced filtering. Then you've got Tennis Giant, who has totally mastered the mega menu to handle their huge catalog. And Appliances Club. They're using the clean layout and trust features to convince people to buy big, expensive items online. See, this isn't just theory. This is proven strategy in action.
All right, it's time to bring it all home and get to that final verdict. But to really truly understand the value of Warehouse, you have to see it in context. Let's put it head-to-head with some of the competition.
This table pretty much says it all, doesn't it? You've got Dawn, the free theme. It's the undisputed king of speed, but it's super basic on features. Then you have Empire, which is a beast for filtering, but look at that mobile speed, ouch. And then there's Warehouse, sitting right in that perfect sweet spot. It gives you the best balance of powerful features and solid performance. It really is the smart, all-in-one choice.
But hey, let's be real. No review is honest without talking about the downsides. So first, the price. Obviously, $320 is a big number. Second, because it has so many features, there's going to be a steeper learning curve than with a simple theme. And finally, some user reviews have mentioned a few minor glitches on specific mobile devices. It's just important to have your eyes open to these things before you pull the trigger.
So after all that, what is the final word? Here it is. If you are running the right kind of store, one with a big inventory that needs powerful tools to drive sales, then Warehouse isn't just a pretty theme. It is truly one of the best investments you can possibly make in the foundation of your business.
You really have to start seeing it less as a theme and more as a professional-grade tool. It's built from the ground up to handle complexity, drive sales, and save you money on all those monthly app fees. It's designed to pay for itself over time, and that is what a smart investment is all about.
And so, that leaves us with one last question. And this question isn't really about the theme. It's about your business. Are you building a store that is truly ready for scale? Are you ready to handle some serious growth? Because ultimately, that's what this decision is all about.